Hi guys, Josh and Mommy here, and today, we're going to tooth surgery at the dentist, and we're going to Tractor Supply and Derry. Look, it's snowing right here. But look, there's schleich here. Oh my goodness, look at all those schleich horses and the animals. Oh, look at that, you see the reindeer. Look, we got a cow. Let's take his tag off with the bulls. Oh my goodness, we have a hen, look at all a swan. Let's see, the lamb, a beaver, and a ragdoll kitty. Let's take his tag off. A Jack Russell Terrier, that is so gorgeous. What name that dog is it?
Oh, he's cute. Puppy.
What?
What's your dog's name? Piper.
It's a beagle
Piper.
puppy.
Oh, he's so cute. He is. Oh, beautiful.
Oh my goodness, look at this playful. It's a paint horse. I like that horse too.
You have that one yet?
No.
Whoa, look at this one. That one you don't have, I know for sure. That's beautiful.
Right, that
I really-
Raza.
I love that one.
Yes.
And what are you getting, 2 horses? Wait, you have this one, right?
About the Trackner horse.
Oh, you don't have that one? What about this pretty one with a stripe?
No, about this.
All right, you want those 2 horses? Okay, that's beautiful.
Yes.
Good idea.
And one more.
Oh, look at this foal. You don't have this foal. It's a paint foal. You don't have that one.
Oh, we got an Appaloosa.
You want an Appaloosa baby foal?
Yes.
Okay, you don't have that one either. So
Oh my goodness, look at all those models of the horses. That's the Napstopper, as a paint horse. Hanoverian horse is a Pura Raza. There's Hanoverian foals. I like this. I like it. This Andalusian Maria's hair.
Look at this one too. That's a young horse. What's that?
A Pura Raza young horse. We got wild animals. Oh my goodness.
They have the cowboy and calf set.
These 4.
If we get the cowboy and calf set,
Not this.
you want to get this and not these guys? You either get this or you get those.
These 3.
No, this is a big one. So like this one is, let me see. You can either have this one or those ones up there. Oh, look at, he's riding a bull.
A rodeo. Look. Rodeo bull.
You want that instead of the horses?
Yes.
Well, you still have a pony in your hand. Put the little one back, the boxes. The box is good. The box is 25.
Lucas.
Okay. We'll come back here again. So you want to get the box set?
About this.
Okay. Then we need to go grab the cat food. Can you say thanks for watching? Subscribe?
I got more schleich here.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Look at this quarter horse with a cow and a dog. We got cat food.
All right, did you shut it off? Say thanks for watching. Please subscribe. All right, we're gonna have cat food.
Oh my goodness. We have briars.
Wow, look at that. Would you rather get a briar?
Yeah. Like the washing stall with a chocolate horse.
Look at this one. Look at that briar.
Cat food.
Josh, they have paint your own horse
Look.
Meet your own horse and barn.
Cat food.
Okay, no, I'm just looking for you.
There's dogs on it.
Dog. Not over here.
There's tidy cats.
Oh, I should get one. No, wait, we gotta get them the right time. Your cat keeps bringing free food. Right here.
Oh no,
Alright, we're not gonna get that.
that was a melty cat food. Here's
time.
cat food. Oh no, we dropped it. Right the white cat too. Look, here's kitty foods. I got there's buckets for horses eat. Oh my goodness, look at these toy riders. Look at that. These are rocking horses.
I like those. Oh, look at this puzzle. This is so cute. Look down there. Look at it. It's an animal puzzle.
Animal puzzle. Look at this, a horse with a saddle. Let's pay.
Okay.
Oh my, look at the blind bag. There's schleich on it. Up a blind bag.
What? No, we'll get blind bags next
That
time.
is from Christmas right here.
Or you can either get, you want 2 blind bags or the box?
The box.
All set?
Yes.
One of our rewards?
Yes, 603 584 1258.
Here's a schleich horse set with a cowboy and a calf, a fence.
Cash or card?
Cash.
So it's 46.47. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good boy.
Let's go
You
home.
had to go to the dentist. You got a tooth out like a big boy.
Whoa.
Josh is being a good boy at the
You were very good.
at Has
I know.
Dental.
I have to go too, unfortunately.
I've already been there.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye.